Bitcoin is currently still trading inside of a weekend, and at the same time volatility has dropped off to basically non-existent. And during all of this, we can clearly be seeing that we are developing another symmetrical triangle right now. So we are going to be awaiting a massive breakout, which is going to be telling us if we are going to be getting our momentum towards the upside or towards the downside. So we need to be talking about this exactly and more in this update video, so be sure to check it out. And without any further ado, let's first of all have a closer look in towards the imminent short term, because we are right now developing some kind of a short-term symmetrical triangle, and we also do know that we are still trading inside of this downtrend on the daily time frame. So because we are right now as well leading in towards this symmetrical triangle with bearish momentum, probably it will be more likely that we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside. And another interesting fact is that in the case that we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, in that case, we might be forming some kind of a head and shoulders pattern right now on the 4-hourly time frame. So in my opinion, it doesn't really matter how you approach it, but the Bitcoin chart is looking pretty bearish right now. The only way we can be flipping the Bitcoin chart bullish is pretty much by flipping this downtrend and once again break this previous high, because that would mean we are going to be flipping our downtrend in towards an uptrend, and in that case we could definitely see higher prices. But as long as we cannot be doing that, well, this rejection looks pretty bad in my opinion, and I do think we are going to be seeing some lower prices before once again going towards the upside, because do keep in mind, in the longer term, we are very bullish. We are currently trading at about our 200 weekly moving average, and in the bigger picture, we are going to be awaiting a massive breakout from of our current support level we are currently trading at and the topside resistance. So, well, I have been saying ever since we got this move right here in towards this resistance level, we have been flipping bearish, and I have been saying, alright, I am rather just a bit more bearish and a bit more cautious in towards the imminent short term, but in the longer term, I am definitely still very bullish. So, well, pretty simple and pretty quick, volatility has once again dropped off to basically zero because of this weekend we are currently trading in. So just have a look in towards this symmetrical triangle that we are forming right now. And other than that, we all already know that in the longer term, I am very bullish right here as long as we can be holding this support level, and I do think this bull market is coming anytime soon. And today's video was a bit of a shorter one because not a lot of new things are happening in towards the Bitcoin charts, and pretty much my whole analysis I've been sharing for the past couple of weeks pretty much is still aligning exactly with the Bitcoin charts. So with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter and also join my free Telegram channel with the link down in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.